Meaning of implosion.
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 Implosion. Implosion refers to the act of collapsing or inwardly exploding. It often describes situations where something that was once very large or powerful suddenly collapses in on itself due to internal or external pressures. In a figurative sense, it can also describe emotional or mental breakdowns, as well as societal or economic collapse. The result of an implosion can be devastating, leading to a total loss of structure and control, and it often requires extensive rebuilding and recovery efforts to overcome the damage caused.